Yeah, hey guys, I'm going to show you how to edit a video using, I'll just quickly mute that, let's close that, sorry guys, had to turn off the music, otherwise it would go on beep beep beep. Alright, so just quickly going through how to embed a video onto Clickfunnels. So basically what you want to do is just when you are going to upload a video, if you choose a sales page that has a video on there and you want to play a informational tutorial or video for your sales page, you do need to learn how to embed a video. Now, the best thing is, I'm just going to quickly select this template because it's got a video on there. All right, this is just loading. Alright, so we're just going to quickly go in and we're going to edit page. I'm just going to click up here and I'm just going to go into YouTube. Alright, so right now, I might need to choose. Right now, we are just waiting for my pages to load. Alright, so what you want to do is when you are converting a video, you want to make sure that the video border is actually orange, so the correct settings will come up. So we're just going to left click on that on the mouse. Now this is where you want to put your video type. So you can do a custom embed like an iframe, and these are also other ones. You can put a YouTube video, a Vimeo, Easy Suite, and a HTML5. So just for these purposes, because these are all basically based on URLs, we're just going to use YouTube as an example. If you use Wistia, Vimeo, or Easy Video Suite, I do recommend you obviously just get the links, the sharing link, and you'll be able to post that in there. So we're just going to go to YouTube. All right, so that automatically comes up. So I just want to quickly get a link from YouTube. I'm just going to go to my channel. I'm going to choose a video. Oh man, I'm not really sure why there's those sorts of videos coming up my feed. All right. All right, we're just going to quickly use how to for this one. All right, so you just want to go share. We just want to copy the link. We want to go back up here. We just want to left click in there, and then you'll do copy paste. Oh, paste. All right, there we go. And then what you want to do is that this automatically saves. When you do that, it'll stay in there. All right, and then as soon as you make a change on any of your landing pages with Clickfunnels, click Save. All right, so that'll save that. And then we'll click out of that. So we're going to go back to the exit. We want to leave. So now we're going to test it and make sure that this comes up. I'm just going to control copy or command C if you've got an iMac, and then control V or command V. Alright, let's see if this works. Thinking. Alright, so there it is. That's the video. Alright. And also, if you want to, there is a setting where you go put the URL in. You can actually ask them to autoplay, and they'll automatically trigger the video to play as soon as someone lands on that page. So they don't have a choice. It just goes straight into video and it captures their attention. So, all right, guys, and that is how you embed a video onto ClickFunnels. Thanks, guys.